Hello guys, this video is about my new backpack. I bought this from a Chinese market yesterday for 12 euros only, and surprisingly it has plenty of room. I wanted a backpack like with this one to carry my video shooting equipment, so I didn't have a lot of money to spend, so I get to a Chinese market and find this one. The cheap 12 euros backpack, but it's worth it. Okay, let's see. First of all, let's see what's inside now. My tripod. Okay, my tripod, and there's plenty of room to even to carry clothes with you. If you need some clothes to have them with you when you're traveling, you can put some clothes. Now, this is my first camera. This is my secondary camera. These two are Sony's DAC-8X300. Okay, now inside there is my handycam. It's a Samsung Full HD SSD handycam. Small but good. Really nice quality of picture. Okay, there goes. And my tripod. Yes, my tripod. Now let's lay down that. Okay. Now, in the front case is my drone with a remote control and the drone itself, my Spark. In that case, there's room for memory sticks and SSD cards. In the lower case, are my chargers, my power banks, and any cable that I'm gonna need when I'm shooting my videos, even my small tripod here. I have a mini tripod. My power bank, my chargers, my cables, everything. And on its side there's space to carry a bottle of water or any drink you want. And the last one is a zip right down on the bottom. You can unzip it, and the bottom comes more lower, so you have more space inside the backpack. Imagine, I can carry all these only with 12 euros from a Chinese market. Way go China! Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next.